Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And I got packages. So I'm going to open up the package because you know I like free stuff. So let's start with L'Oreal. I got a L'Oreal package and it's new pure sugar scrub. Let's open it up. And this exfoliates deep, gentle, soft, smooth skin. It's with 3 pure sugars. I don't know if y'all have heard of this, the pure sugar scrub. This is the grape seed scrub. It smooths into dry skin. And you massage all over your face with your wet fingers and you rinse it off. And I got a $2 coupon. And that is it. Okay. Then, Pinchme sent me package. A package. Let's see what's inside. They sent oat milk rice cream extract. Okay, this is up close of the shampoo and the conditioner, the new oatmeal. Let me know if you've tried the oat milk shampoo and with the rice cream. So let's see what's inside. New Garnier Fructis Treat. Use it as a mask after shampoo. Apply to your wet hair and leave on for 1 minute and rinse. Or you can use it as a conditioner after shampooing. Apply to the hair from the root to the tip and rinse. Or you can leave it as a leave-in. Apply on damp hair. Frizz control will last and nourish. And this is suitable for all colors. Then I got this package. And I don't know what this package is. Oop, I tore a piece of paper. But this is something from Black and Mouse. Okay. And Black and Mouse is like a small cigar. And a lot of my friends do Black and Mouse. A lot of them. And this is what Black and Mouse sent me. What? This is awesome. It's a lighter. It's not a Zippo. It's a refuelable lighter. But look what it says in the corner. It says CJ. It's a lighter. See, it says CJ. That's awesome. L'Oreal Age Perfect Glow Renew. It's a facial oil. It's supposed to restore your skin to a youthful glow. You put it in every morning and every evening. You apply about 4 drops to the palm of your hand. And it is for the cheeks, for the head, forehead, and the neck. All right, L'Oreal. I'll be trying this. Hit me up in the comments if you tried the L'Oreal Age Perfect Glow Renewal. Okay, I want to show you some more stuff that I got for free. Okay, this is by Tasty Bites. It's called the Good Seed. And it's I don't know if anybody's ever joined it. It's called the Tasty Bite Food Donation Program. And what they do is they give you seeds, and these seeds you plant and you grow vegetables, and then you donate them to your food pantry. Isn't that awesome? So, I got the spinach seeds, pledged this free package of seeds from Tasty Bites, and you grow beautiful spinach. So I pledged to give this spinach to someone who really needs it. And what they ask you to do is post a photo or a video of the spinach as it grows or when it's done in process. And then on Twitter or Instagram, you put hashtag good seed. And this is it. I will leave their link below. I think this is an excellent program. You can teach kids how to grow vegetables. I don't have a green thumb. See, it's brown. But I'm going to try it. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me how to grow seeds, because I don't know how to. I think this is a really great program to help give back, but I really don't know how to start from seeds. I know how to do from plants. So please hit me up in the comments and let me know, how do you start a plant from seeds? Okay, that's that. The Get Seed. And they do, oh, by the way, they don't just have spinach, they have a lot of others. So check it out. This right here is a big box. And this came from one of them surveys that you can fill out. And the survey just basically, I have put this in my other freebies. You just basically hit it, and then you fill out your name. They say it's a survey, but it's not a survey. You just basically fill out your name and your address. And I think it really does international. So I'll leave that back in my description below as well. And all you do is fill it out. You can get little makeup things and something like this. This is cool. Check it out. It's a thermos. Look at that. It's a cup at the bottom, and there's the thermos at the top. Isn't that awesome? It has the slide top. You can open it up. It's nice little deep inside. It has a soft bottom for non-slide, and it screws on. It's got a nice tight grip. There's no instructions or whatever that came with it. And this is the cup in case you just want to pour, or you're eating something out the cup while you're drinking. This is for camping. Have a little soup, have a little drink. And you just screw it back together. Cool. I'm going to leave that in the description below. This is some samples that I've gotten in the mail that I want to show you. Here is a Woolite. This is for extra dark care. It keeps the dark clothes looking and smelling good. This is one load wash. So this is soap, I'm pretty sure. Woolite Dark Care Special Formula Care for your dark clothes. This stops your clothes from fading. And I got a one wash load. Wow, this is good. I love Woolite. I like it the way it does on my sweaters and stuff. So I am going to use this and save this for the winter time when I have to wash my sweaters. It'll keep them nice and dark. And we know Woolite is delicate. So this is Woolite Extra Dark. Then I got a Tide Booster. And this keeps whites bright. So concentrated. I really never used these pods before. I always thought that they were pretty expensive. And, you know, I'm about savings. But this is an all-in-one. So this is going to be a wash booster and detergent. It takes out the rough stains, keeps the white, keeps the bright, and prevents dinginess. I guess that's them little balls. So I'm going to use this to wash my sheets and stuff that's on my beds in my spare bedroom and my rec room. So that's that. Then there's Downy. And I did infusions before, but this is Downy Infusion Honey Flower. And this is just a fabric softener. This is not a scent one. It's just a fabric softener. And I want to get him to try it. It was nice that they sent me a sample. And this is also a sample of Shout. I love Shout. It gets my stains out from spills. And this one mixes colors and whites together in the same load. And it traps it. I got to try this because sometimes I don't have enough for a full load of darks or whites. And if I can mix it together and use this and it won't mess it up, it'll be good. These are my freebies. It's because we love free stuff. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button. It's over here. Wait, is it over here? It's over here somewhere. Oh. If you want to be a honeybee,